Welcome traders, Patrick Head Trader, Trading123.net. In this video we're going to talk about the Trading123 Volume Delta indicator. Basically what it does is it reads high volume prints on the buy side and sell side, and basically that's when a lot of trend changes happen. As you see here, we have a sell print of 641 and the trend keeps going down, and then we have a buy print here of 638 and the market does a dead reverse and moves back up. So basically we're trading the ES here on June 11th 2020, and the market, the Dow is down like, on CNBC 1,000 points, just falling, going lower and lower and lower. So you have to ask yourself when you're trading, okay, where's the market going to go next? What time is it? You always got to pay attention to the time. Are we going into the last 5 minutes, 10 minutes? Most people probably don't even look at the clock when they're trading. They're just in a fog staring at the screen, and they've been staring at the screen for 2 to 3 hours, and they're just stuck and glued to the market, which can happen, and it can be addicting when you get in a zone and you start hitting trades one after another. It's very addicting. But what you have to do is every hour you need to take a break. You need to get up and walk away from the computer, clear your mind, go outside, get some fresh air, stretch out your legs, get something to drink, because you don't want to be sitting there for 2 to 3 hours. As I said, I'm 57 years old, been doing this for over 20 years. So I get up about every 45 minutes, take a couple minute break, get something to drink, and walk around, clear my mind, sometimes get some fresh air. As you always want to be fresh when you're trading. When you're getting ready, you just had 2-3 trades in a row, you're on a roll, you want to clear your mind and get ready for the next trade. Especially if you had a loser, it's best that you get up and walk away, take a break, clear your mind, get your senses back, and ready to tackle the market. And that's what we're doing here, end of day. Come back, last 20 minutes of trading. Don't need to sit there from 2:30 to 3:30. Now, if I've had a successful morning, I'll come back maybe last half hour, and that's what we did today. And so we're looking at the ES, Dow down 1,000 points. They're talking on CNBC. The Dow's tanking. Like those guys really know anything anyways. So we're looking to make a play here. Is the market going to keep going lower? That's what you got to ask yourself. Are we going to keep going lower, taking out new lows? Are these little bounces going to fail? Where is the market going to go? What is the trend? You got to ask yourself these questions all the time when you're trading. What is the potential here? What can I make? And one thing you want to identify is where's the next support? Where's the next resistance? You always want to identify that in trading, because trading is all about support and resistance. So that is a trading tip of the day. Trading is all about support and resistance. Write that down. So basically, we're trading 3 contracts. We're looking for the market maybe to get a bounce, but if I see a high print, I'm going to go short because the market is weak. And we got 15 minutes to go into the market, so there's potential for more downside. And we get a high print, 641 on the chart. And you have to have an ATM strategy ready and ready to fire it off to get into trade, especially in this coronavirus market. Sometimes the market can be pretty quick and then you'll miss it. So as soon as we see the high print, we're in, no hesitation. Our stop loss would be right above the wick of the candle there. We get in at 316 on 3 contracts. First profit target's hit at 10 ticks. Second one's at 16 ticks. And then, we're getting near 10 minutes into the close almost. And somebody decides to come in and buy up the market. Big buy print there, 638. And so our stop was trailing down, and we got stopped out, and we got 8 ticks on the last contract. So basically, we got 34 tick profit, $12.50 a tick. That's $425. And as you see here, these graphics, these yellow, and this stop sign was drawn on the chart by me. It's not part of the NinjaTrader software, so don't be looking for, where's that stop sign? I need that on my chart. So it's not there. So let's look at the next trade. So basically, we give the market a little break. We're satisfied with that last trade. There's really no need to put on another trade. And closer we get into the close, the last 5 minutes, the more powerful a move we can expect. And basically, due to the market, as they said on CNBC, being down over 1,000 points for the day. So we're looking for the market to reverse going into the last 5 minutes. Why do I say that? Because what you have at the end of the day is position traders come in. And so here's a sign, the market's selling off here. You got some heavy prints over 100, and then you get this big one right at 613. So that when you see a big print right at the low, that's a sign that everybody exited the trade, and then the longs jump in and you get this print of 955, and it's a darker green colored compared to these lighter green ones to help identify the trend reversal. So again, we see this big print, we have our ATM strategy ready, we're ready to go, and the market takes off, we're in, couple green bars, and next thing you know, our first target, we're out at 16 ticks. Market goes higher. Now we're looking at the clock. We got 2 minutes left to the end of the trading day. So we take our profits on 21 ticks, and then the market shoots up here all the way to 309. And it should have got out at 309 because there was going into the last minute and a half, and then we get some quick selling, and then our stop should have had it a little tighter. Got us out at 306.50. 308 would have been better, but we're not complaining. So all in all, we got 16 ticks, 21 ticks, 22 ticks equals 59 ticks. Do the math, get your calculator out, add it up in your head, times 12.50 a tick, and basically this trade going into the close, do the math, 12.50 a tick, 737 gain. So it's all based on the Trading123 Volume Delta indicator that reads the high prints, and basically volume controls the market, moves the market up and down. High volume comes in at a low, market reverses, and that's the way we played it. So there was an example of a short trade and a long trade using the Trading123 Volume Delta going into the end of the day. And like I said, why did I trade the end of the day? Because market down over 1,000 points, anticipation that buyers or the trend will change going into the last 15-20 minutes of the day, and it did, and we profited. So that's another trading tip. Put it to use. Hope you enjoyed the video. Good luck with your trading. Till next time, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and subscribe to our YouTube channel here. This is Patrick, Head Trader, Trading123. We'll see you on the next video.